Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. On the next to last step of finishing this blanket chest. As you saw in the previous video, I had stained it and I ended up with some spots here where the glue had squeezed out and hadn't quite got sanded. I did some more sanding on it and stained it a little more. That's just going to be one of those character spots. I don't want to end up gouging it out. Have to learn how to deal with something like that in the future when it comes to clamping it, glue squeeze out, and getting it cleaned off so you don't have to deal with that. But hey, it is what it is, mate, on this one. You didn't see it in the last video, but here is the lid, top, whatever you want to call it. So there, yeah, looks pretty good. Stained a little darker than the other, but then again, hey, that's another. It is what it is, mate. But yeah, gonna be putting clear coat on. I have a short video. I think I put it out before this one. We'll see how that works. But talking about using, reusing plastic bottles like alcohol bottles, or like for you see this or there's like peroxide bottles are like this too. They're not clear though. I like having them clear so you can see through them. But anyway, this is some clear finish that I had. And like I said in the other video, I put it in this smaller container so there's less airspace and it doesn't dry out as easy compared to having it in a bigger can where you've used up half the material. So, and it's kind of sucked in. Maybe it was warm when I put it in. It wasn't, I don't know, but it appears to be okay. The bottle's not cracked. It's not like it's reacted with the container. Who knows what it is. But anyway, what I've got going now is reuse. This is actually a frosting cup. These are good things to save out of the kitchen too for uses like this. At least you get to reuse it once before you throw it away. Now I'm going to put a clear coat on here. Also using the trusty Horrible Fright 2-inch chip brush. So here we go.